Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up capture card audio. Getting clear, synchronized audio is crucial for high-quality content creation. We'll cover everything from physical connections to software configurations, ensuring your viewers hear every detail perfectly. By the end, you'll have a solid understanding of how to achieve excellent audio, making your streams and recordings sound professional and polished. Let's dive in and get your audio sounding fantastic. First, let's focus on the physical connections. You'll connect your gaming console or source PC to the capture card's HDMI input. Then, run an HDMI cable from the capture card's output to your monitor or TV. Finally, use a high-speed USB 3.0 cable to connect the capture card to your dedicated streaming or recording computer. Double-check that all these connections are firm and secure to avoid any unexpected audio or video interruptions during your session. Now, let's move to the software side. Open your streaming or recording application like OBS Studio or Streamlabs Desktop. Add your capture card as a new video source. Crucially, within the audio mixer, select your capture card's audio output as the primary input for your game or console sound. Take a moment to adjust the volume levels, ensuring they are not too loud or too quiet, and monitor the audio to confirm it's coming through clearly. Finally, it's time to test everything out. Do a quick, short test recording or go live for a moment to confirm your audio is being captured correctly. If you encounter any issues, first check your computer's sound settings to ensure the capture card is recognized as an audio device. Also, make sure your capture card drivers are the latest version. If problems persist, a simple restart of your streaming software and all connected devices can often resolve minor glitches. You'll be capturing perfect audio in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.